welcome back. Okay, it's another video, and we're here today. Nothing big, we're not doing anything big, but seriously, yeah, we just come, we have to wash your car, is it? The vehicle, is it? Looking at the river, see the river there. The way all time hot, may I tell you, this river, water used to flood. You see, you try to see the rocks them, water cover the rocks them. Now look at it, just because of the way the time hot. Joke now, man. Ooh. They're so cool still. What this one? Babe, one tail. You say him look just to come wash vehicle? Oh my dad. Mommy. Daddy not going anywhere, so daddy here. She wanna come out, daddy. Mommy, we literally park in the water.
No more. Stay. Okay? Stay.
Alright, may I pull this door? Come around this side, mommy. See? Daddy is in the water. See, baby? Yeah. Well, like him at in the barefoot. We're in a shades. Yeah. Listen, look down.
Water.
See water?
You can't come down, baby.
Cannot come down, ma. Yes. We call this conserving on water. So instead of you waste water, the wash vehicle, you can conserve. Drive the vehicle, go to the river, go wash it.
Seriously.
Lamoya, where you going?
Water?
No, this water is dirty. You crazy?
Dirty water, baby.
Come on, come sit down. Sit. No, come. Hold on, guys. Whee! Alright. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You know, I must be the only person hate that song. May I like the song, you know? I don't like the song. What is that? Oh, you drink water. Help yourself, my daughter. Sorry. She loves the camera. Yeah. She'll be on the camera just making facial expressions. I just like to see herself back. Yeah.
Mommy!
Yes, Lamoya!
Daddy!
Yes. Now the time really hot. The river is supposed to be cool, and the way the time hot, it will fight against it. Baby, look like stabbing in the water still. No, mommy, man, you fall.
Daddy?
When I finish, if I feel like me just come out, but for now, just want to sit down here and look. Think, you know, try to eat.
Yeah. Wow!
Come on.
Yeah, water.
Yes, but the water is dirty.
Okay. Okay, mommy.
Okay, baby. Make sure you wash your car good enough. Won't you like me again?
Great.
$100 for wash the car.
Mommy?
Hmm? Yes, baby? I wish.
Okay.
You know.
Okay, water.
So you want to catch fish in the water?
Hey, lock the door, no? Okay, wash it.
Oh boy, mommy, come in. Don't go, Jack! Jack, don't go!
We leave here.
Yes! Jack! Come back! Come back! You know, I could have acted in Hollywood. Yes, dirty water. I don't like this water. Listen, me and Kino used to sit right there, and the water just a beat over our body. You remember, baby? Nice. You see, Daddy has shine down the boat. Lama, you want juice? No, mommy, don't touch the dirty. Want juice? Mosquito bite you up, man. We should have, our people should have built a repellent where when mosquito bite you, and it's dead same time. Cause nothing hurt me when mosquito bite you and them escape. The blood boil for that. No, people. No. See there? But can't find where I put on my slippers and I'm walking on the water. Ew! And Kina left my baby up on the rock. Now I want it again. No, don't move, Lamoya. Please don't move. Sit there. So I'm going to go on top of this now. Don't move. Please.
Walk this up.
Hold this, Lamoya. Ew. People, make it. Thank you. Hold on there. Hold on. Come here, Moya. Slung in a mommy lap. Moya, no, get a papa juice. Moya, I don't know where these leaves come from. I don't want it to touch me. No, when I know people can it and dash with when it and stuff. Really, Lamoy? Hey, baby. What? Say hi.
Cheese.
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 Say hi, YouTube. Yes. Mommy, mind you fall in the water.